Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Instagram ad on Facebook or Meta Ads Manager. Over here I'm on Meta and this is Meta Instagram advertising. What we're going to do here is log in. You can also go directly to Meta Ads Manager by simply searching for it since they're all connected. It doesn't really matter which path you take, it won't change anything. All you have to do is sign in with your Facebook account. I'm already logged in, you don't need to sign up for anything new, you just need to have a Facebook account, and once you have that you can log into Meta and you're good to go. From here, click on Go to Ads Manager and Start Now. You can run Instagram ads directly from here. You can also boost a post by clicking the button on Instagram itself. Everything is interconnected and leads to the same place. Once you're inside Ads Manager, this is where you can create your ad campaign. The first thing you'll do is click on Create Campaign. Here you can select engagement, then click Continue and choose Manual Engagement Campaign. You can go with the automatic option if you want, but I'll stick with manual. From here you can categorize your ads as well. If you have an Instagram business account or have converted your account into a professional account, you'll see additional options available. For example, if you go into your profile, click the cogwheel and switch to professional account, you'll notice you get access to creator tools and a dashboard that allows you to boost content directly. When creating a campaign, you'll see options like categorizing ads, selecting a buying type such as auction or reservation, and then setting your objective, which in this case is campaign. After that, you'll move to the next step where you select Instagram as your placement instead of Messenger. Choose the Facebook page you want to connect as well, since that's important. Then you can set your goal for maximum conversions, and right below that you'll see the budget section. Here you can set your daily budget to whatever amount you prefer. For first-time users, it's recommended to stick with the suggested amount. If you're tight on budget, you can start smaller, run the ad for a week and see how it performs. If results look good, you can increase your budget. If not, you can adjust it down and find the balance where you're still getting good reach without overspending. You'll also want to check your audience targeting. The goal is to avoid being too broad or too narrow, but something in between. You can also schedule your ads if you'd like, and you'll be able to see the estimated reach right there as well. Next comes your audience and locations. If you already have a saved audience list, you can upload it, but if not, you can manually set locations. For example, if you want to run ads in Los Angeles, you can drop a pin and select the radius around it, whether that's 10 kilometers or smaller depending on your needs. You can even add multiple locations, though sometimes it only allows one pin at a time, so you may need to adjust. You can also remove locations by clicking the cross button. Beyond that, you can refine your audience by demographics, age, gender, and interests. For example, you might change the age range from 18 all the way down to a younger group or adjust it to fit your target market. Once you're satisfied, you can save it and move on to the next step. Now comes the ad creative or ad name. Here you decide whether you want to create a new ad or use an existing post. For this example, I'll select an existing post. Once selected, you'll see additional options like enabling multi-advertisement, which allows your ad to appear alongside other ads to increase discovery. After selecting your post, the remaining steps are setting up your payment details, configuring automated chats or partner apps if needed, and adding tracking options. You can also include enhancements, URL parameters, and once everything is ready, hit the Publish button. Of course, you'll need to have a payment method added before publishing since running ads requires it. And that's it, you've successfully created and set up an Instagram ad in Meta Ads Manager. You can also use the Creator dashboard to boost ads or create them, but Ads Manager gives you more control. You also have access to your payment settings there, which helps manage everything in one place. So that's how you do it. That's how you run ads and create Instagram ads through Meta Ads Manager. And that's it. Thank you for watching.